How to change your password on Google account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now for this process, you can launch any of your Google services. I'm going to go for Play Store application, and as you tap on Play Store application, make sure you're logged into your account and then simply tap on the profile at the top right corner of the screen. Now select on Manage your Google account, and as you tap on it, you'll be able to land on a new page where you'll be able to see the option of security and sign in. So tap on it and you can just scroll down, and here you can see the option of password. So tap on password, and as you tap on password, it will land us to a new page yet again. So here what you'll have to do over here on the password is you just have to verify yourself. So first of all, verify yourself, and as you verify yourself using your sign in or passkey, you'll be able to change your password right over here by adding your password twice, and then tap on change password. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.